I'm in Bay St. Louis at a little park downtown they call Ruth Roots. She was a lady living and felt sorry for the kids, so she donated her family land in town to make a little park. You start off with a rabbit cage, come around to the chickens, and come right into the garden. They have all kind of stuff growing here. And it's fun. It's for the kids. You bring them here. They have little playhouses and little things they can do. They have a little sitting area right here. And the cute part is this, right here, your dog station, your dog library. Take a stick, leave a stick. Now, when you get up front, if you come past all the Christmas stuff here, they got decorations out. You come into the little playhouses right here. And over here they got little bitty fish ponds. Little tables for picnicking. And then up front you see all the, what you see is all the little different raised beds. Well, it's cold winter time now, so there's not much going on there. But in the summer, every one of those beds has vegetables in it. I just passed a sign. I should have stopped and showed it, but I was walking too fast. I always wondered why somebody don't do something. Then one day I realized I am somebody. That was Ruth that made that statement. All this was left for the kids. And when it's warm in the summertime, you come here, there's kids everywhere. Now the main thing is up front. When you get up front, they got a container over here on the right, the blue one. In that container is groceries, canned goods, beans, and it says, take what you need and give what you can. Be blessed. Right there's books. All these containers over here are full of books. Take one, leave one. And this was her story for the kids in Bay St. Louis.